So the last thing that we will solve is to create a report showing which position has facilitated the most transactions, including total transactions and average fine amount per transaction. Atong kuhaan na is um the the first name and last name of the staff. So we will concatenate na lang that as the first name well, a nice space. Then as that last name, alias na to as staff name. The next we will counting ang total transactions. So the transaction ID as total transaction. Then i-calculate po niya ang average amount. Find amount as average. Itong average. Find per transaction. Ang name sa itong mga table ang magawas dapat. From transaction. Energy na to ang staff details, staffs na table, staff na table, staff details na table, and the position na table. Join staff details. Then on see that staff details ID. And then inner join staff as on see that staff ID also as that staff ID. And lastly, ang inner join na to is on SD position ID that position ID. And last, group by natin sila. Group by staff ID. Order by also total transactions. Sending na to from if na I'm as na table or result. Yeah, staff ID. Kulang S po. There. Here, makita natin ang average staff name, total transactions sa ilaha, then average fine per transaction. Here. So, nakuha na ni nato nga problem. Wait, we will change the staff name to staff position. So, delete na to ni. That position name as staff position. Place na to as staff position. Tinanggon na siya. Then possibly group by position nominate that position name. Let's see if mo work ba siya. Here, work siya that and when we create view na. Create view. Hmm, position transaction report. Position transaction report view. As- Then that's it. We'll create procedure after that. Add the limiter, we, what we did in the previous problems, create procedures, get, um, position, transaction, what, in, and end, the limiter. Let's run, works. And we have the procedures for number 10, the last number. Yes, that's it for these problems, for the SQL problems. Thank you for watching.